Hey everybody, Mike here with Delta. Today I wanted to give you guys something a little different. So we're going to head down to Dimondale and we're going to do our part. We're going to help these people remodel their bathroom. Yeah. So let's go. We've got a bathroom remodel here, and what we're trying to do is move from this location in here in the floor, and we would like to put in a 6x10x6 oval stack. A little bit of an issue with the bathroom fan down below, and then I've got a copper pipe in the way. This one we want to move from right here where there's going to be a door that swings open, and we're going to take that all the way down to the end. That shouldn't be much of a problem. This is a 2 1/4 by looks like 10, so we're just going to convert the 2 1/4 by 10 to 6-inch round and then go to a 4x10x6 floor boot. So yep, let's get started. Okay, good thing I've got my handy dandy little Klein here. If you guys don't have one of these, I recommend getting one. Okay, well, as noisy as it is, it's got to be done. If I put a screw in, it'll be from the top, and then I'm going to tape it. I think we'll be good. Alright, we got to put our Sure tape on here. You guys that live in the South and have to deal with attics, I feel for you. Because I gotta tell you, this is pretty warm up here right now. I definitely feel for you. I can't imagine what it's like dealing with an attic. She's not gonna win any beauty contest, but it'll definitely be airtight. Alright, so we're cutting 29 3/8 plus 2 inches puts us at 31 3/8. Not bad. Not bad. For freehanding and a little off, but I'm going to crimp that end anyway. I'm going to show you guys how we do this, and it's generally female to male, which is what I'm going to show you right now. Slide that over. We
start the seam, and then we just snap it together. It's generally pretty quick and easy. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. I'll get a screw in it on each side of the seam, same as here. We'll short tape it, and this one will be done. Yeah, I like it. I gotta tell you, the only caveat of putting the screws at the top of this duct is if they ever wanted to get in from the bottom, they're gonna have a hell of a time trying to get this thing apart. So I didn't really future-proof it for that. Hopefully in 25 years I'll be retired, then I won't have to deal with it. But then again, I feel bad for the people who do. So go through the floor, not the ceiling. Okay, so there she is. Simple little duct extension. What we're going to do is, the homeowner wanted us to cover the register for any kind of construction material that might get down into the duct. She's going to order her own register, custom register, so that'll just be able to be removed once she's ready to put her register in and the flooring gets put in. This particular duct over here, there is a copper line that goes directly underneath. I wanted to go with a 6x10x6 oval stack head. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to make it down through there. So the builder, the guy who's doing the remodel, is just going to block this off. They're going to cover it with cement board, and potentially the homeowner might go with radiant floor heating in here underneath the tile. But okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll check you guys out on the next one. Today I wanted to show you guys fucking seatbelt.